That's where we were at.
Oh, were you? Oh, you took your break down there?
I went down to get the backup battery for the PA. I don't think we'll need it, but we didn't have one on board. Yeah.
Yeah, that's. You know, we got back pretty early too, so we had plenty of time.
Yep.
Oh wait, that's the card.
Yeah, no, you can grab that if you want to. There's going to be 2 here, and then I'll grab the major one.
I'll start at the billboard.
A little bit further up.
Where? Yeah, they stopped.
It's our little 65-ton GE switcher.
Yep. On that one.
Old Caspian 3.
See, I know what's up.
What?
So I know what's up.
I don't know. I don't know how it was painted. It might have been a part.
At least I get your favorite candy right.
One of our members.
Drink on the other. Ouch. On the other hand.
I like that dump part
I
though.
like them now.
We use it.
Reese's.
That's an old Canadian National.
Baby Ruths.
We use it for.
They're okay.
The little baby Ruths are awesome.
Yeah.
Whenever we have washouts, we'll take that
Snickers.
down with rock loads.
Yeah. It was actually nice to see the rolling stock down there, actually being able to see it from the road so I can get a better view of it instead of, you know, in 25 back in June where we were just sitting here, I couldn't really see all of it.
Yeah.
Soak it all in and stuff.
They're draining that thing, aren't they?
Beats on this one.
What?
That was a
Like-
little pair of arcade. Yeah, you
Why?
can pick it up here. I'll let you know when it's done.
Building a new well.
Is it just the small ones?
It's just a little circle for us.
Love to see the size of the fishes down there.
Yeah.
They said there's fish down there. They're the size of cars. I'm like, Jesus.
That's what I would have done for that.
Hop back here, Rick.
Thank you. What? Well, my back's right there. So
Well, you let me have it, so
Hop up there.
it's your one.
It's the best seat in the house.
I like that.
He's not joking.
A lot of those we use for storage. Now these 3 cars we actually pulled out of a siding here not too long ago. That's the saddle tank for our little Vulcan engine we've got. We used to use that boxcar for tree trimming, but now we just go ahead and contract that.
You like some M&Ms?
This one I need you to go
M&Ms?
loud and proud, but I need to let you know. I'll let you know when. So this one's an on and
You're
off
welcome.
run. This is one of our busier ones.
Yeah, it's a state highway.
Okay.